Okay.
All right. Welcome to class this morning. Onyade, Elliot, Melody. I guess Samuel was the one the parents was talking on the group about not being able to join. So we might not have Samuel in class today. So we're expecting Emmanuel and Ayomiposi, yes. Okay, Ayomiposi is here. So just Emmanuel left.
Ah, kí ni ẹ mà? Oh, ẹ má bínú. Àná gan kan sọ fún mi ó yẹ kí n pè yín bọ̀.
Ayomiposi, please mute your mic.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Help us mute your mic, Ayomiposi.
Anthony,
Okay, that's great. Oh, Mrs. Lawal, well, welcome. Good morning. We can't hear you. You're not audible. You're not muted, but we can't hear you. You might need to
Okay,
check your
just
audio.
continue. Just continue with your work. Just continue.
Okay. All right. So how many of us attempted what I asked us to yesterday? Anybody before we proceed? Elliot, go ahead.
I attempted the assignment you told us to do, ma.
Hmm? I didn't get that.
I attempted the assignment, ma.
Can you share your screen? Let's see what you did. You want to do it or you have done it, Elliot? Eh? This is looking like
I
you
have
want to,
done it before, ma.
but you didn't save because this is your
I
start.
saved it, ma.
Okay. What did you save the file with? Do you remember what you saved it with? The name.
Assignment.
Okay. You want to search for it? Click on file. Let's see if you saved it. If we can click on file. Let load from your computer. Let's see if we can find other Scratch projects there. What did you click? Not save as, so close this. Yeah, assignments. I can see it there. Now go back to load from your computer. Double click. Open. Now open.
Okay. Okay, you click OK.
Yeah.
Tell him okay, okay.
Load from your computer. Click on assignments. Now open. Click on OK.
There's nothing inside. The
You can
assignment is
even
empty.
pass.
Attempted the assignment, ma, but you didn't.
What could have happened is that maybe I don't know. I actually don't know what you did. Or maybe you didn't save, or I don't know. Honestly, I can't explain this your empty file. Is there
I
another
saved
person?
it,
Ma,
ma.
I
Don't,
did the
don't worry.
assignment.
Don't worry, Elliot. You have enough time to do it again today. In fact, you have some other stuff to add to it. Don't, it's not a problem. So at least I see that you made an attempt. Oh yeah, they share your screen. You can stop sharing, Elliot. So by you have the whole of this week to attempt the assignment. You can even do multiple projects to come and show us. Now share your screen, Oyade. Maybe you help us reach out to Samuel. I don't know. It's like we have more than one Samuel on this program. Because yesterday, only 3 people came to class. So I had to put it on the group for others to join. But somebody was asking which of the Samuel. So I don't know how many Samuel we have. So you can help us search for the Samuel in beginners class, Mrs. Lawa, to
Uh,
help us find out if that's the parent that said he's not at home.
all right.
I really can't distinguish between them.
All right. Okay. Let her take it to the middle of the stage.
Okay, you know what? Drag your sprite to the middle
Let,
of the stage. And
let her use motion block. Can you hear me now? Am I audible now?
you are audible, I can hear you.
Tell her to go to motion and go to XY, X0, Y0, so that she will always start from the middle of the stage.
Okay. Hold on,
And
hold on.
our movement is wide, it's long. If the shape is big and she's moving, the length at which she's moving is long, she'll be having these challenges. So she can just move, maybe leave it at 100 if it's one single shape. But she should always start at the middle of the stage. So just go to, when flag click, go to X0, Y0.
Oh, yeah, Nade.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma.
that block out.
Ma, you said that what?
Go to
Yeah, go
XY
to XY block. Yeah,
and
you are
change it to
there
X0,
already.
Y0.
Drag
Change
it
it to
out.
X0, Y0. Ayomi see your hand is up. So let him share. I want to even see his assignment. I'm interested in seeing your assignment, Ayomi see.
After the flag click, you stop sharing, Oyade.
Okay. The Owotomishe is not around. Maybe the mom is at work. Who else is not around in your class?
Oh, that is shoes.
Put it immediately under when flag click. Onyade, put it immediately under when flag click. And change those numbers to 0. X0, Y0. That's the middle of the stage. Is Melody in class? Okay. Melody, I can see you. How are you? All right. So now click on your flag again. And let's see. Awesome. Thank you. Oh yeah, continue. I want to see Ayomi first before I run out of your class. I just want to come
Yeah,
and I just like to come to see
excuse
once in
me.
a while.
Ayomi
Save
Posi,
your
go
work
on.
again, no.
I've allowed you.
Onyade, save your
Yes,
work
ma.
again.
Okay, good morning, ma.
Good morning, ma.
The tuber wives has changed language, oh. We don't know what to press.
It's at the top. Miss Mercy, share your
That
screen
was,
and
we
show them.
couldn't do the
Let's show them.
assignment because everything changed. I don't know.
Children, yeah. What I always call one of my
It was just
students.
pressing. What am I supposed to
They
press?
press everything. Explorers. They want to explore. Share your screen. Let me show you.
Okay, ma.
Ayomi
Oh,
Kwasi, your hand is up. I said share your screen. I want to see your work before I leave your class. And your teacher is doing a wonderful work. All right.
Click
I'm
the green
coming.
flag. Oh, there's no
No,
code
not the,
there. Ayomi
no,
Posi.
no. Is this Ayomi Kwasi screen? Oh.
this is our screen. Oh, the language changed. So
No,
I
I'm not. No, your screen is not showing yet. So this Ayomi Kwasi screen that is showing yet. Is that Ayomi Kwasi that is talking?
talk now. Are you not the
Is
one
that
that
Ayomi Kwasi's mom that is talking?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
yes, he is the one.
Click on this arrow. Àwọn explorers. Children will
hold on.
always explore, so we cannot stop. We cannot. It's a normal thing. Click on that arrow.
This okay.
I'm coming. I want to see. The language is at the top. I'm coming. Let me move this. No, that's not the language. Take it off. Not that place. Not that place. Move it. Yeah, scroll down. Down here.
Okay.
It's around down here. Down. See this one. What to change completely.
Going to change you. Wow.
We are going to look for it. Yeah, click. It's not that one. Click the next one. Click the next one. Oh yeah, start moving down. No, 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 not that one. Click,
Which
move that,
one?
move like that. Oh yeah, start moving down and look for English. Start
Okay.
scrolling down and look for English.
Hey,
Have you seen
That's
English?
thank
yeah.
God.
It's a normal thing they explore. That's how they learn. All right, fine. Okay,
Then,
so
sorry, ma, please. We were doing the assignment yesterday. I didn't know where you see the erase. Is it erase or something?
eraser.
Me,
Erasure.
Now,
I look
they
for
don't
it.
have pen too. See,
I
they don't
didn't
even
get
have pen too. They've not
my
brought
dear.
out their pen too. Your teacher will continue. Sorry, I'm sorry for intruding in your class. So yeah, continue, ma.
The pen tool, ma. Let him
The
go to this
people.
add extension. Come back to where the blocks are. After my blocks, you can see there is a red square down there. That's the add
This
extension.
place.
No, just
This
follow the
place.
blocks down.
See where the
Yes,
flower is marking. Eh,
yes. Click
Click
that.
on that red thing.
You see. Okay, yes, yeah.
Add extension. Now click on the pen.
Ah, it is well. Okay. Ah, all
Please,
right.
Miss Mercy.
Yeah.
Miss Mercy, I did not do the class yesterday.
I was wondering, after I came to the group to look for you people, you still left the class again. So what happened? I'm listening.
It's because I was going to church.
Oh, but you didn't tell me now. You should have excused yourself from the class. So I won't be wondering where is Melody. You just left. You didn't tell me you were going to church. That's fine. Yesterday's class was recorded, and today is a continuation of what we did yesterday. It's just we are building on what we did yesterday. Is that okay?
Okay.
If you have
Yes.
questions, you will ask. Don't worry. All
Goodbye.
right.
Oh. Just came to say hi. Bye.
So after today's class, those that were not able to attempt the assignments, you will go ahead and do it. You have enough time, then you can add whatever we are learning today to whatever you're doing too. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. The last week assignment, we did it, but we had issue at the end.
Which one is that, ma?
The calculation we did last week, the mathematics, my math game.
Okay. Do you have it? Can you share your screen so I
Yes, I can.
see?
How will
I'm
I look?
sorry, let me chip this in before I leave. This is encouraging that moms are helping the children. It will actually help them to learn more. But when you are working and you have a challenge, please ensure you don't wait till the end of that week. That's why we have a
Yep.
group. You can, the teacher is also on the group. And Miss Mercy is on
Okay.
the group. I'm on the group. So you can send a message to any of us so that we
Okay.
can resolve that before the next class.
All right.
We'll be glad to assist the children anytime.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
All right. So, Miss Mercy, can we do it later then?
Okay. And maybe after the class. I'm sure we will round up early enough to have like probably 10-15 minutes that I can use to check whatever you want me to check. So
Right, ma'am.
let's quickly finish today's lesson. Then I will ask Ayomi Posi to share his screen. Remind me, Ayomi Posi, after class.
Okay,
Okay,
ma.
ma'am. Be talking. Ocean. Yes.
Elliot, your hand is raised.
I've finished setting my code for the assignments.
That's great. Now share your screen. Let's see. Emmanuel is not in class yet, oh. Now click on the green flag. Let's see. All right, that's great. You did well. Well done, everyone. This is actually encouraging. It means you understood the concept of drawing. So today, We'll still be drawing, but then I want us to, there is something called procedure. It can also be referred to as functions. All these are intertwined between mathematics and coding, that language, function, procedure. You understand what I'm trying to say when I say function, when I say procedure, you get to understand it now. You can stop sharing, Elliot. Let me share my
Please,
screen.
Miss
Hold on, Elliot.
Mercy, is it still the same? Is it still the same project we did yesterday we are doing today?
It's not the same, but something similar. It's still, we are building on what we started yesterday. So when I say we are building on, it's still, it's a continuation when you continue a topic. So you will understand now, don't worry.
Okay.
Lila vivo andar. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma.
All right. Now listen. I will attend to you, Ayomi Posi, after this video.
What's something people don't know about Scratch? It has a sneaky shortcut called procedures. Let's check it out. Procedures or functions are like magic buttons you create in Scratch. Say you want your sprite to dance. Step left, right, spin. Instead of coding those moves over and over, you bundle them into a procedure using the define block. Then, anytime you want your sprite to boogie, you just call your dance procedure. It saves time and keeps your code neat. Imagine making a robot clean its room. Just pack the steps into a procedure and press go. What fun task would you turn into a procedure in your Scratch project?
Do you want me to play the video again, or you understood perfectly what the video is trying to say?
Yes, ma. I wanted to play the video again.
To play the video again, but every one of you will tell me what you understood from the video. Is that a deal? So you have
Yes,
to
ma.
listen.
Yes,
Listen to
ma.
what he's saying. Listen.
What's something people don't know about Scratch? It has a sneaky shortcut called procedures. Let's check it out. Procedures or functions are like magic buttons you create in Scratch. Say you want your sprite to dance. Step left, right, spin. Instead of coding those moves over and over, you bundle them into a procedure using the define block. Then, anytime you want your sprite to boogie, you just call your dance procedure. It saves time and keeps your code neat. Imagine making a robot clean its room. Just pack the steps into a procedure and press go. What fun task would you turn into a procedure in your Scratch project?
Does anybody has anything to say? Anybody? Melody?
I learned that there's a shortcut in Scratch, and you can make a character dance.
Okay, good. I love
Ma,
that. Any other person?
learned that you can use procedure to dance or do the boogie.
Okay. Any other person? Any other person with ideas? Okay, now if you look at my screen, this is where we are headed today. We are going to achieve something. Now, you see, it can also be called a function. You can see this red block here, define square. Did you see that?
Yes, ma.
That is a procedure. It is what?
Procedure. A procedure.
I will explain further now after this. Just watch what is going to happen. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma.
Yes,
Please.
ma. Yes, ma. Impossible. Something
Do you
else.
like what you see?
Yes, ma.
Great.
Yes, ma.
Great. When we say procedure helps you save time. It helps you save time in the sense that if you look at all this code now, set pen size to 1, set pen color to pink, pen down. Now, move 50 steps, turn at 90 degrees, wait 0.5 seconds. They are the steps to create a square. And we repeated this 4 times. Bring out your calculator, everybody, because we'll be doing some calculation, and I will call upon anybody. Everybody should bring out their calculator.
Please,
Now,
how do you do it? I can't do it.
you can't do what?
Not the calculator.
I have brought it out.
I taught everybody how to learn to
my
calculate.
calculator out, ma.
Melody, were you not? You were still in class now when I showed you how to. Now go to your
I
start. Listen, just listen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Did you see where I'm pointing at? I clicked on that button now. Click on yours. Can you see what is up on my own screen? Eh?
My own is a different one.
Or look for calculator, whatever you see. Just okay. Share your screen. This one you're saying your own is different. I don't know. I'll stop sharing now. So you share your screen.
Are you sharing your screen?
Share your own screen now. Kilonje. Melody. Is that you, Melody?
Yes.
Now, let me try and annotate on your screen. Hold on. Hold on. Don't move around. The calculator here. Have you seen it? Go back to that start button. Click on where you just left. Did you see? That's calculator. Click. Your calculator is too big. It's occupying the whole screen. So come to the middle. Let me annotate. Hold on. I want you to click something now. Just follow my instruction, Melody.
Okay.
Once you see what I'm cycling on your screen, click that part. I want your calculator to become smaller. Yes, that's okay. You can stop sharing now and follow us.
Now you have to move the calculator. Where's the
I was explaining what you have on the screen because we'll be doing exactly the same thing. But before I open a fresh page, I want to explain this.
It's not going.
You can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma.
I explained yesterday that each shape that we are going to draw actually moves around 360 degrees. But in order for us to see those shapes, if it's just a cycle, we will need to turn at any angle or stop at any angle rather. It will just move round. Do you understand? It will just move round. But because we want shapes, we want edges, we want sides to show, we explained yesterday about using 360 degrees. But in order to achieve our shape moving that entire 360 degrees, we have to specify at what point does the sprite stop to create a side. So it moves steps, it turns, it moves steps, it turns. That's what forms each side of every shape. This particular shape you can see on my screen, our sprite moves 50 steps, sorry. 50 steps is just short. That's why you can see that we have multiple square. Moving 50 steps, turning at 90 degrees. And why did we turn at 90 degrees? I'm going to ask Onyade this question now, based on what I taught you yesterday. If you divide 300, because we want to draw a square. Let me start from there. We want to draw a square. Everybody listen. You all did square as an assignment yesterday. Now, if I want to achieve a square, what am I going to divide 360 degrees by for square?
4.
Good. Why am I dividing 360 degrees by 4, Onyade?
So that you can get your answer or to the.
Okay, you tried. Melody wants to say something. Go ahead.
To divide it with 4.
Yes. You divide by 4 because there is a reason why we are dividing by 4 for a square. We are dividing by 4 to get square because a square has 4 sides. You have to remember this. Remember we did pentagon in class yesterday and we divided by 5. Why did we divide by 5? We divided by 5 because a pentagon has 5 sides. Do you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday we used angle 72 because we divided 360 by 5. Today we'll be turning at angle 90 because if you divide 360 by 4, somebody should divide 360. I don't know, woo. Okay, it was Melody that does not know how to launch calculator. So Melody, divide 360 by 4 and tell me what the answer is. We are waiting, oh, Melody. Everybody, 360 divided by 4.
That is going to be 90.
Please, I can't divide. The divide is not there.
Why is divide calculator? Divide is there.
Divide is not there.
Divided by.
Please, Miss Mercy.
The answer is 90.
Great. The answer is 90. But let me see what.
Miss Mercy.
I can hear you, Melody. Let me see what you're complaining about.
It does not have any. It does not have any device.
Because your calculator is in currency. So I'm going to circle somewhere now. Click on that part so that we can correct the outlook of your calculator.
Mrs. Mercy,
Click on scientific or standard. Go back up. Go back up. The first one. Click on the first one. That will have you. Standard. Oh yeah, click. Select it now. Yes.
Ma,
Hmm?
Mrs. Mercy, Ayomi Percy said, please, ma'am, motion block is not showing.
Divided by what?
Divided by 4. Now, stop sharing. Let me see Ayomi screen. Stop sharing, Melody. Ayomi, share your screen.
The answer is 90.
Great. Why do we have 90? It's not just about getting 90. I explained
It's
something.
because
Yeah.
that a circle is 336 degrees
360.
and a square has 4 shaped sides and corners.
Okay. Ayomi, share your screen. Is this Ayomi? Stage selected, no motion block. Close the tubo up and launch it again.
Okay.
Leave.
Okay,
Click
ma.
on leave, ma. Something a dialogue is on your screen. Click leave.
Something is blocking it. I don't know.
But I can see it from my end.
I'm coming. Is it blocked? Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Don't- Yeah. Thank you. It's done.
Okay. So we can proceed, right?
Yes, ma.
You can stop sharing now.
Okay, ma.
All right. Are we good now? Can we proceed?
Yes, ma.
Yeah, we can decide to still use our pen tool. Let me use the pen tool. Sorry, pen sprite. So you know how to bring out your pen sprite now? Just type
Yes,
pen.
ma.
Miss Mercy, should we close our calculator?
Don't close it. Oh. It does not, just minimize it. So when you want to use it, you bring it up. Reduce the size of your pen
Calm down.
and let your pen be at the middle of the stage. So this is where we are going to be explaining procedure proper. Procedure helps you use a particular line of code without having to write it again. So when you have a particular code, like Onyado did yesterday, Onyade wrote a code that draws a square. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So instead of writing that code again in another set of instruction, you will keep that set of codes in a block called the procedure block. You will define using the define block. Then you, instead of now writing the code, what you will now do is, if you're going to use that set of instructions again, because you have defined them in a procedure, you will just call out that procedure. You will not write that code again. The code might be very long. What you do is you keep them in a block called procedure, and then whenever you want to use that same code again, you just come and define the procedure. You just bring it out. You will understand now. So now let's define a block. Go to my blocks.
My blocks. Wait, see my blocks. Are you muted? Calm down.
Let's call it square. Did you see that? What I just did is I just created a storage. This one is different from variable, so you don't mix it up. I hope we all remember variable.
Yes, ma.
This one is a procedure. We have defined the block. The block will be storing our set of instruction for a square. That set of instruction that you use in creating a square, we are going to now go through that step and then attach it to this square procedure. So when next we want to use that set of instruction, we will not write all the codes again. The only thing we will just do is we just call out our square procedure. That's what we want to do now. Has everybody done what you can see on my screen? Define your own block. Bring out your, what's it called? Let me have a reaction if you have this, if you've done that. Hello? Melody, put on your video. Turn on your video. Whenever we want to draw, what's the first thing that we did yesterday? Who can tell me?
Please, Miss Mercy. I
Turn on your video.
tried to do it, but I could not.
I can't see you. I can't see your screen. So how do you want me to help you? Turn on your video. So what is it that you cannot? I'm going to delete this now and start it over. So listen. Did you see where my cursor is? After variable, there is something called my blocks. Click on it, Melody. After the variable blocks, click on my blocks.
Okay, I've clicked on it.
And it's working now, right?
What time I go to type?
Ma, I don't get it.
Square.
Ma, you're muted.
Okay, we all have a block, right? And we made,
Yes.
all right. 1 minute. I will be muted.
Please, you can continue, Miss Mercy.
Melody, she said that she's going to
Yeah, Melody,
give her 1 minute.
can you still see my screen?
Yes, ma.
All right,
Yes,
so
ma.
to
Ma, I
draw
don't get
to
it.
draw a square, the first thing we'll do is, okay, let me make my block too. Okay, so why is my block not? Okay. I named my square. I hope we all did.
Yes, ma.
And then mine's with.
So what we do is we want to draw. The first thing is we'll set our pen down. Okay. You can set the pen size. This only helps us with the thickness. I'm setting my pen size 1 because I don't want it to be too thick. If I move it above 1, it will become too thick. Set pen size to 1. Set pen color to whatever color you want your shape to come out with.
Very expensive.
Then set your pen down. We want to get
Oh,
more.
yeah, set pen color. This is pen color. It's nonsense you are doing. Look at it before I give you that slap. You don't do that. Don't you ever put your hand at me. Nonsense. Excuse me.
Because we want our square not to be too big. Like what we did yesterday, we are getting a smaller size today. So go to your motion now. You know, anything that has to do with movement is the motion block. Go to the motion block now. We ask you to move 50 steps. I don't want the size of the, you saw what I showed you initially. I don't want the side of the square to be big. I want tiny, tiny squares. I want my square to be small. And now we have divided the angle. What's the angle of our square?
90.
Great. The angle of our square is 90. Now, judging by what I taught us yesterday, I want you to weight for 0.5 seconds, and you will tell me now, Onyade and Elliot, the two of you will tell me what I'm going to do to achieve now. Onyade, Elliot, who was in class again yesterday, it's going to move. If it moves 50 steps, it turns at angle 90 and you wait for 0.5 seconds. How many sides of that square are we going to achieve with just this code?
50 sides.
You said
50 sides.
size, no, 50 size, okay, no.
Yeah,
Oyade,
I
try.
didn't get your question.
My question is, when my sprite move 50 steps, it turns at angle 90 to move to the other one, and then you wait for 0.5 seconds. How many sides of that square are we going to achieve with just this code? Is it going to give us the entire shape of our square, or is it going to give us just one side of the square? I've given you one side of the square. Great. In order for us to achieve the 4 sides of that square, what am I going to do?
Repeat.
Thank you.
Please,
I'm
Miss
going to repeat how
Mercy.
many times, Onyade?
Repeat.
Please, Miss Mercy. I tried to wait for 0.5 seconds. It's
Hold
not
on.
working.
It will work. Check what you did. I'm coming to you, Melody. I'm going to repeat how many times, Onyade?
Repeat
Point is not working.
5 times.
We're not doing 5 times. I've explained this over and over again.
Repeat
Onyade.
10 times. Or
How many
4.
sides does our square has now?
4.
Hey, this code will only give us one side. I've taught you repeat. This code will only give us one side. For us to achieve the 4 sides, we are going to tell it to repeat 4 times. Then it's going to be this one is going to be 4 times. Do you get it?
Yes, ma.
Now, Melody, what's your question? What problem?
Please, Miss Mercy. I tried to type 0.5 seconds. It will not work.
All right, I will stop sharing now. So you share your own screen. Let me see what you're doing. Share your screen, Melody. Okay, you have it already. Type 0.5. Put points. Dot.
Trying.
Maybe your hello ma. Please check his num lock. I hope the keyboard has not locked numbers. That's why he's not able to type number. Or what could be wrong?
I don't know.
But you typed 90 now, so if you're able to type 90.
I don't know. There are some buttons I noticed that today, some of them are not working. I don't know what happened.
Okay, it might be I don't know, it might be the PC that is misbehaving. If some of the keys are not working, it's the PC. No, if he can type 1, let him change it to 1 second. If he's able to so you leave your own at 1 second. Don't bother. You can try the 0.5 later if it's not working for now. Use the numbers that you can type.
Okay.
All right, you can stop sharing now, Melody.
Just use the numbers that work for you. Some of the numbers are not working.
I hope we all understood where we have gotten to.
No.
Yes.
Who does not understand?
Me. Where are you guys? Is it repeat?
Where are we what? Look at my screen, Melody. This is where we stopped. So has everybody done this?
Yes, ma.
Okay, great. Now we have stored the line of code that will be drawing our square for us. We have stored, that instruction inside a block called square. Inside a block called what? Square. And that's the procedure. The block here called square is what we are referring to as what? Procedure. Do you get it?
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma.
Okay.
Yes, ma.
Now, we want to use our procedure. We want to do what?
Use our procedure.
Great. So everybody, when flag clicked,
You said when flag click.
when flag clicked, I explained erase all yesterday. Why do we use erase all? Who can remind me?
We
I don't want
use
everybody. I'm listening, Oyin.
we use
Just
erase
erase all
erase
for
everything that you draw on the picture of the scratch where you're drawing on.
we use
Okay.
erase all so that nothing can show.
We use erase all so that whenever, anytime you click the green flag, your code will run. There will be something showing on the screen. Now, if I now want to click the green flag again, I want that previous image or whatever I've done that has been drawn on the screen, on the stage. I want everything cleared before the next or the new instruction is executed. That's exactly why I'm using the erase all. I will still explain it. Each time I click on the green flag, everything on the screen will disappear. Not a large image will appear. So always put that in mind. Now, I want to set the position of my pen, where I want my pen to be on the
What happened?
stage.
Easy.
Set the position. Where do I go to? To set the position of my sprite on the stage. Elliot, where is Elliot? Elliot, are you still on this call? Ayomipọ̀sí Melody.
Yes, ma.
Anything that has to do with movement, which block will I go to?
The motion block.
Good. Thank you. Who said motion block?
Me. Elliot.
Elliot. So, I want to set the position of where my pen will start from. So let me just, we can do it 0, 0 so that it stays, let's use 0, 0. So that it stays at the in the middle of the stage.
Yeah.
Now, we want to, I've asked that my pen should be at the middle of the stage each time you want to start drawing. Instead of me to now say, set pen size, set pen color, pen down, move 50 steps, turn at angle 90, wait 0.5 seconds, repeat 4 times. All those things, I will not do it again. What am I going to do at this point? I will go and call on I will bring out my block. Go to everybody, click on my block. You will see that your procedure is there. You can see it's showing this. I will just bring it out. Simple. I will not do all those set pen size, set pen color, pen down, move 10 steps, turn at angle 90, weigh 0.5. I will not do all of that again.
Say something.
I'll just go and bring out my block. Because I've stored all this code. I've stored all this code now. I've stored it inside this block. I've stored all the code inside my procedure. So what I'm going to work with, I'll just bring out my procedure. Bagam, just one. You can see it.
Yes, ma.
You can see
Yes,
how
ma.
sweet life can be. I am because yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. Erase all is not connecting with the when flag click. Oh, it's not staying.
No, it will stay now. Let me see his screen. This is I am because Abi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Okay, so let me see where is your when flag click? I can't see it.
I've removed it too.
Let him do it again.
Okay. Where is your listing? A minute, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma.
It's not coming up. It's messy.
Okay, so now let's go to the pen tool. The pen tool now, ma.
This one that we brought in, the Sprite. Okay, pencil. Where is it?
I mean the pen.
What
I'm
are you
with
having?
ma.
I can't see your when flag click yet. Oh, did you take it back?
You didn't stay. That's what I'm trying to explain.
Okay. No.
Stop. Hallelujah.
Okay, you said it didn't say. All right, you can go to the pen tool now.
Then erase all.
Yes, eraser.
As well. Where do we get that?
So you use the go to.
Choose this one. I should choose this. Not choose this thing. Then choose this thing. No.
Where is that?
In this.
Hold on.
You change the X to 0, Y to 0, so that the pen can stay in the middle of the stage.
Okay, ma. Zero what?
And two of them 0.
0, 0.
Now we have to shift that this thing. Hey!
What happened now? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Why this thing has disappeared again?
It has not disappeared. Move the screen. I think you have moved towards the left. So drag it back towards the right.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
It's there.
Let me change it to 0.
Change this one to 0.
Then get it out.
Mhm.
And 0.
Okay. Then
But let me write out this thing though. Hey, you don't announce somebody to guys something.
yes. Thank you, Ma.
All right. You can stop sharing the screen now.
Right.
All right. So we have achieved our square, right? But we are not going to stop here because we want to draw multiple squares. We want to do what?
This one.
You need to draw multiple
Now,
squares.
multiple squares.
the other time I drew 20 of those squares. If I'm going to draw 20 of those squares, it means I'm going to repeat 20 times. Now, this takes us back to our degrees, 360. Because I want to draw 20 times, I'm going to divide. I want somebody to quickly use the calculator. Where are you, Melody? Where are you? Divide 360 by 20. Who is that one? Is anybody working with their calculator? What is the answer?
18.
Why do you say that? We should do the calculator.
Great. I want to draw my square.
Divided by what?
20 equals to 18.
I want to, everybody mute your mic. I want to draw my square 20 times. So in order for me to achieve that, I will divide the angle at which my sprite will be turning by 20. So 360 divided by 20 gives us 18. So I will ask my sprite to turn at angle . This will become what? 18. It will now repeat 20 times. You should get the logic by now. I've achieved a square already. 1 square. But I want this, my 1 square. I want to draw 20 squares overlapping each other. 20 squares overlapping each other. So the angle at which the sprite will be turning I have to go back to my 360 degrees to achieve that. So I divided 360 by 20 because I want 20 squares. I want it repeated 20 times. The entire square now, not side. Here we worked on side. Here we are working on a square. We have drawn a square already. We now want to see that square 20 times. So it will be turning at angle 18. Use a calculator. And then when you click on the green flag, let's see what happens. Let me see my screen. It keeps drawing a square. It keeps drawing a square and moving in a cycle. How many of us has this on our screen now? If it's working, tell me yes. Hello? Onyade, are you there? Elliot, Melody, Ayomiposi.
Yes, ma.
You have not answered me now. Have you achieved that?
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma.
No.
No, ma.
Delete and type 18.
I'm trying. Miss Mercy, my own is not it's
One
not
eight.
circle, it has a rectangle.
How can it be a rectangle? Is it a rectangle? Are you sure you have not input another number?
Then
Melody.
you repeat again.
Yes, what she
I
deleted.
want others to be done. I will
She
see your.
deleted that she went though. Why you can't go to another place now? She put 20.
Whose screen is this one?
Melody.
So why did you say it's a rectangle?
I will slap you.
It's a square now.
How many times? Type it. 20. Type. I didn't ask you to do anything.
2. Yeah. And you
Now
can put
click
this
on the green flag.
green flag. You can put this thing where see, put it on top of here, not here.
On top of where?
On top of this place, not on only this one. And you have to move this thing out. Put down.
Move your hand.
She puts it on top of. Now put it.
Remove your hand.
Remove my hand. Now shift, let us see if it's drawing. I want to give reaction so that I can, so that you can see if I've done it already.
And it can finish.
Now how will I get to that reaction? How will I do that reaction now? Times I have to go to my own school. Let me give her. No. Aha. Rockets. And Ma, I've done it.
Great. So has everybody gotten their code right? Do you want to show me your?
Yes, ma.
All right, I'll stop sharing now, so everybody will share their screen one after the other.
Let me see. I'll show my screen.
Who is going first?
I've cleaned.
Okay, great. Elliot, share your screen.
Stop seeing my screen. Ma, so I stop sharing my screen.
Yes.
She stopped here. Okay. Okay, stop. Save it for you. Okay, it's first.
It's for Elliot. No, not my mic. Sure, I will not touch.
If you don't press anything.
Not me.
This is Elliot, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma.
Oyinade, now share yours. All right. So have we all shared our screen now?
But Melody has not yet shared the screen.
Yes, I've shared my screen.
I've seen his screen before. He shared before every person. Yes. So Ayomikosi, you were going to show me your project. So let me quickly see that.
Ma, what should I save my work as?
Ayomi Kosi.
Yes, ma. Wow. Yeah. Boys. Amen. Or they won't get you. They won't get together. Amen.
What is this?
Nice. I'm going to put them. Mommy donating it. Mommy donating it.
Huh?
What donating?
You still have to do it.
You did not share your screen again, Ayomi Kosi.
Eh?
Your screen. You were going to show me your previous project, your assignment. I don't know.
Okay. How do you look for it?
Let us. Share too.
Hold on. Yeah, ma. Miss Mercy, are you muted?
Check. I'm not
Hello,
muted.
ma. Okay. Okay, click on the green flag. Let me see.
The green flag.
So what should we do from here?
You will enter the first number.
Any number.
Any number, yes.
Okay.
No, that one, that's that it.
Then the second number is not showing no.
What do you think?
That disappeared.
You didn't. The green flag has stopped.
This thing is blocking. The way you used to do, I don't like it.
Click on the green flag again.
Okay, ma. This thing is blocking me. Okay.
Now, input the first number. Put 10 there. Let me see.
Okay.
Now press that sidebar. Click that. Now enter the second number. Use any number you want. Now click that again.
Safia.
No, that's not what should happen.
Don't say what
So
you
I
like.
don't know where the mistake is coming from.
This thing.
I'm coming.
Then
Let
you
me
will
check
not
his code.
do it. You don't know anything. Even it. Yes, right. This thing, these two things, these three things that I said. Then you now put in your first
Shut up.
number.
Click on variables. Click on the
Okay, ma.
variable. Oh, there's something I want to confirm.
Variable number.
The blocks, the box beside each of the variable, can you check them? Click into those empty boxes. Yes, check them. Check.
There's nothing in there.
There's nothing, just click there. Yes, that's what I want to see. Click beside num1, num2 results. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Now go back. Let him repeat what happened. What you just did. Then they are overlapping. Go and rearrange them. They are on each other. Separate them so that we can see everything one after the other.
Which one, ma?
The result is hiding behind num1 on the. Go back. Let him go to the stage.
Okay,
On
yeah.
the stage, yes. Separate this thing. They should not stay on each other. Yes. So repeat the steps now. Click on the green flag.
Flag. All right.
And put 5 there.
10.
5.
Yeah. Click it. Click. No. 5, Abby. You said 5.
Is
Put
it
9.
now?
Put 9. It's done.
Then
Thank you, ma'am.
now stop sharing my screen.
Are we supposed to save it or is it automatically saved?
No, save. Oh, you can just do Ctrl+S or you click on file and click save so that all the changes will be maintained. Anytime you make an adjustment to your project, you save. Click on file. Because click file, then select save.
Yes, right. Okay. See file.
So we call it a day. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.
Thank you,
We
ma'am.
can all leave the now.
Yes, ma'am. This is it again. Save.
Have you saved already?
Yes.
Now let me shut down.